Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to another video. My name's Dion, and today I'm doing my my daily market analysis. So today there wasn't much going on. There was just one trade which I took, one opportunity which I saw, which was a short opportunity on GBP CAD. So I'm quickly going to go over some trades which I've finished. I got taken out of both these trades, and then I'll go over a trade which I'm currently in. So to get straight to it, we have Euro USD here. The trade was actually going in my favor, and I had a pretty good entry here. Pretty much, I saw price consolidating just above this support, and pretty much, based on my analysis, I thought price was going to fall, drop through. So you can see that I actually entered above the support. Now, this was a different kind of trade. I don't usually do this. I like to wait for the break below the support, and then some sort of like a retest or bearish formation before entering. But this time, based on my analysis, I thought that it was appropriate to do this. Just off the top, I can quickly see a double top here, sort of a lower high being formed. There's not enough strength to push up. And then I saw most of the retail traders were going long at this support. Now, this information I got from Seasonal Prime, and I saw, there was lots of retail long orders here. And usually the retail is wrong, so I went opposite that and I shorted the market. Now that did work well. I went up to that looks like a 1-to-4, maybe 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. So let's just say here, okay, much less than that. It's 1-to-2, but I only had 0.5% risk on this. So because of that, I got taken out, not at 1%, but only a 0.5% loss. So that wasn't too bad. Then we have Euro Aussie dollar. Very similar thing here. I don't know where my entry is. I don't know why it's playing around like this. Maybe on the 2 hour it's a bit more clear. Nah, I don't know. But I pretty much entered here somewhere after this rejection to the resistance. Price did go in my favor, just a bit over 1%, but then after that we did reverse. When I saw it reversing, I didn't do too much about it, just because we did form a high here. It did look like there was a lower high being formed here. So I was thinking that there was going to be a push down, but instead from there it actually just went all the way up, broke through the resistance, which invalidates my trade and therefore takes me out. So those are the two trades which I lost. I think this one I had 1% risk on this. So over those two trades is a 1.5% loss. That's not too bad. So let's go over the trade which I'm currently in. This is NZD CAD. This is a trade that I've been in for a while now. Maybe, let's see, 20 seconds. So I've been in this for almost an entire week. So like 6 days. We're showing some strong strength at this support here. We had this long candle wick here. This is what's kept me in the trade. This strong candle wick was just showing me that price doesn't want to go below. Strong rejection. We came up straight away. We had a pullback forming a higher low, I think, from this area. Although from the entire, if we look at the entire scenario, the entire trade has been playing out, we are just stuck in this channel. So this trade did seem alright from the start, because I did think it was going to break past here and not have too many issues. But we see we have touched it once, twice. We still can't break through. It does look like a lower high has been formed from here. So I don't know. It's not a great trade, to be honest. I am trying to think about, should I take this out? Should I just close it at pretty much break even? Should I set stops to break even and see what happens? I'm just going to let it run, because the Seasonal Prime is still saying that it is very bullish. Now, my trading for this entire month is pretty much based on the Seasonal Prime analysis, so I don't really want to play around with things too much. If it says that it's bullish, based on my analysis is bullish, I'll enter. And so far, we haven't invalidated the trade, because there haven't been any broken lows, so that's all good. The only thing that's concerning for me is this double top and the lower high, so we'll see how that plays out. Now the short which I saw today, which was based on Seasonal Prime, was a GBP CAD short. So we pretty much saw, you can see there's two boxes here, so these are both resistance levels on different time frames. So let's head over to the daily. You might actually see it better in the weekly. Here we go. So on the weekly, we see this area here, strong liquidity area. Price pulls into here before making big drops. We had it here once, we had it here twice. We did have a big drop from there, but we're coming up to make a retest. So if we go over onto the daily, this is the support which price held. We have seen a rejection to the smaller time frame resistance. So just here. So we got like 2 resistances. We've seen like a double top formation here. Go on to the smaller time frames, we can see I had a pretty good entry after this bearish engulfing candle, which engulfed this bullish one here. Maybe I'll go a bit closer. So yeah, here's the bearish engulfing candle. I pretty much entered after that. I wanted to see price just drop below this bit here. So once it did drop off a little bit below, I entered, and yeah, price is doing, it's going alright so far. It's a little bit slow, but it is still early. It's 2 p.m. my time. The London session is around 6-ish, I think, 6:30 my time. So price won't start moving until I'm at work. I start work in about an hour. I'm just quickly filming this to get it out. I had a big day already, so I want to get this out before I go to work. Then come back and see how it's played out. But yeah, that's it for today's daily market review. I hope you guys liked it. This isn't a review on like the entire market. This is more personalized to my trading and how I'm trading. So I'll probably try and make that a bit more clear in the future. But this is only the second episode. I am trying to work on it, find a way to make these daily videos. And yeah, so if you liked it, hit the thumbs up. I'll catch you guys in the next one.